Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the same Google account enrolled in Play Games Beta and check Android 8, 0 or compatible Windows environment. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan to tether a phone for testing. Next, open the Play Games Beta installer or the Game Services page. You must accept beta terms and grant storage and network permissions. This step ensures the client can download game data and communicate with Google services, so the setup won't fail later. Now install or update Play Games Beta to the newest build. Updates often fix compatibility issues, so don't skip this. After installation, grant required permissions, microphone, storage, and location, so the app can save progress and detect gameplay features. Then, open settings inside Play Games and pick Install Locations, local storage for speed, or Cloud Sync to preserve saves across devices. Make sure Account Sync is enabled so achievements and leaderboards map correctly. This prevents lost progress when you switch devices. Finish by launching a beta-enabled game to validate the setup. Observe permission prompts and online checks, and confirm leaderboards or cloud saves appear. If the game crashes or fails to sync, clear the Play Games cache, force stop the app, then restart. If that fails, reinstall the beta client. Also enable logging and capture timestamps before reproducing the issue. If problems persist, submit feedback through the beta tool with logs and step-by-step reproduction. That helps developers pinpoint and resolve the bug faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.